نجارة؟ صنفرة خشب.
We make candles holders, we make tissue boxes, we make chess games, we make some jigsaw games, so the one you can teach the small people how to make something, connected to each other. We also make tables, we make chairs, we make benches, we make almost everything. Our plan is to make them independent by themselves. So we give them the guidance, we teach them. Then we would like really to make them able to work on the normal market. So maybe by a private carpentry or a governmental carpentry, or maybe by their own.